Page 255, we got a When something going on up there, and I can't pronounce that title. I ain't going to try. It's all up to you to do that. It's another example of choral music, and this time they don't give us the words. We just get the notes. Okay. We know it's choral music because it says so at the top of the page. And if the labels at the beginning of the stavs, that's for choral, soprano, alto, tenor, and bass. A 4-part choral music. It could be a quartet. It could be a choir in 4 parts, whatever. I'm guessing it's a choir, a chorus in 4 parts, because it's generally what their music would look like. Except, of course, they would have words in there. But the point is, if you're going to be working with them, you got to know their parts. You got to know what it sounds like. You got to be able to play whatever. Any 2 parts together, at least. And if you could play more than that, that might help too. I don't know. So let's just go through. It's 4 flats. We're in the key of A flat major or C minor. Don't know which yet, but you can hear the harmony when you get into it. You can tell if it's major or minor. And the 3/4 time. Sopranos first. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. There's a repeat sign to do the whole mess again. Okay. So he threw in a little bit of syncopation in there and throwing it off there toward the end of the first line, around measure 6 and 7 or so, when you get this 1, 2. All these 2-beat notes, when you're in 3/4 time, it's like sort of like a hemiola effect. I'm not sure. We'll see. You just have to make sure you can count that all right, because chances are a lot of the sopranos won't. You got to help them out. See, one of the things you're looking for when you're going through choral music and checking it is where are the potential problems, and you would circle those and be aware of them. Are they going to have a problem there, and you're ready to help them, but only if they actually have a problem there. Sometimes they surprise you and do it right. Not very often, but sometimes. Alto part. Well, you're down here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Not bad. Tenor part. Well, tenor part, remember, goes down an octave. So even though it's treble clef here, you're here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And measure 11, you see the RH? They're telling you let the right hand play that note because it's the same as here. I don't know why they're playing that note. Probably because you have a B flat in the left hand here, and unless you can reach them both, then you got to let the right hand play that note. So the right hand's going to play those notes because it's only an octave. That's what they're saying. You don't have to. It's a suggestion. Same thing later on when they got more right hand notes. They're telling you let the right hand play that note because the bass is way down here. The left hand's going to play that. And that's too far. You might not want to do that. So you let the right hand do it. Again, here, because I can't even reach that. And then here, Rachmaninoff could reach that, but I can't. Here. Normally, they don't give you the right hand things. It's up to you to figure that out. The bass clef, 1, 2. Now here we don't have any funny things going on in the rhythm. It's just straight across. Measure 7, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 1. Okay. Then you want to hear the parts together. How do they sound like? And again, I start with the top and the bottom because those are like the ones they want to hear most. Assuming the top is melody. Sometimes the top part is a discant up here. If that's the case, wherever the melody is, that's what I want to hear. Here it's here and here. And again, these stavs are so far apart, it's tricky, so we slow it down. want to hear what they sound like. That's what the singers are going to sound like. It doesn't hurt to have the different singers do these too. Let the sopranos and basses sing it together so they can hear each other. Then, of course, you're going to do this. All in the right hand for the soprano and alto. You don't have to go that fast. This speeds up the video a little bit. Then try soprano and tenor. Here. Harmonically, it's fine. Then you can try the other different parts together. If you get to where you're concentrating so much on just hitting the right notes and you're not listening anymore, I kind of find that distracting. I don't know that that really helps a lot, because simply don't play them that way. You play the chord, figure out what the chords are, and you just play the block chords. Just play block chords or something. Just play a general harmony so they can hear the harmony from the piano and they can sing their parts from that. I have found that I don't really have to play all the notes for each of the singers once they sort of have an idea what they are. I can just play general things, just block chord. Here, here, here. And then there's dissonance after it's Brahms, you'd expect it, but just play block chords if you can figure out what they are.